Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gunther the Great, and today you guys see what happened. This happened, I think, 2 or 3 days ago. I mean, I even made a video about this, literally probably the day of that this happened. But Lamelo, really cut his hair. I didn't think he actually did, but well, at first it was a hoax. And no, he didn't cut his hair the first time I made that video, but literally probably the day I made that video, he cut his hair. I feel like he seen the video and was like, yo, yep, we're cutting the hair now. But yes, Lamelo Ball cut his hair. Now he has waves. We'll let you guys be the judge on how you think his haircut looks. He started out like this, and obviously his hair is really dope. Well, he didn't really start out that way. He actually started out with how his hair is now, which looked like this, and he was really flexing on him. It's really cool to see that he's not attached to his hair, and he's like, yo, let's get rid of it and let's see how everything works. I really think this is a publicity kind of stunt mixed with a I just kind of want to do my thing versus I don't want people to be attached to me because of my hair kind of thing. You first seen this with Lonzo Ball, then you've seen it with D'Angelo. He cut his hair as well, and then now you see Lamelo doing it, which was the person that I literally said I don't think he's ever gonna cut it, but then I did say he is gonna cut it. So that is insane. I mean, just watch the video how I explained how that was gonna happen, and he literally did it the day of. But yeah, here's a video I seen on Instagram. Someone actually commented down on a video that he did cut his hair and that he has waves now. So this is the video that I did see, and I couldn't believe my eyes. But yes, that is the video, and I was just like, this is insane. I can't believe he actually did it. The crazy part is that I said that he was going to do it on the day that he did do it before he even did it. Prophetic. That's prophetic. But it is really interesting, and it's really cool to me to actually see that he actually did it on the day that I said he was going to. If you guys don't know, I actually texted him. I said, hey man, cut your hair because I'm trying to make this video. But no, I didn't actually do that. That'd be crazy. Nah, but what do you guys think? What do you think about Lamelo's haircut? I wanted to make this video really quick and just say that, hey, Lamelo cut his hair, and wanted to be one of the first videos out there that actually said and announced that he actually did cut it. So that's why I'm dropping this video, and I wanted to get your guys' opinion because I know for me, it's Lamelo has the iconic hair. He has the blonde bleached tips, and he's got the elongated kind of Odell Beckham Jr. look, like I explained in the last video, which obviously his dad said that his hair is normally that color rather than actually dyeing it, which is really hard to believe. But you guys, what do you think? This is a tough one. It is really interesting though. And also I had a discussion with someone not too long ago, it was on Sunday, which was a few days ago, about him actually making it into the league and how all things are gonna work, especially talking about D'Angelo going into the league, if that's even going to work, and pretty much how Zoe made it in the league and how he's working right now. And I don't know a whole bunch about basketball, but I do know kind of the big heads in basketball, and talking about them is pretty interesting. What do you guys think? Do you think Lamelo's gonna make it into the NBA? Do you think that D'Angelo's gonna make it in the NBA? And how long do you think Zoe is gonna last as a big name in the NBA? Comment all your opinions down below. But overall, what do you think about Lamelo's hair? But you guys, if you are subscribed to my main channel, you did see that I'm announcing a giveaway, which I am going to be giving away some great merch. If you guys want to check out the website, link is always in the description. It is great.merchlabs.com. Now this is my merch, and it is selling really good. And if you guys want to get some, go ahead and get some. But I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on 3 pieces. They are my 3 favorite pieces overall, and I'm sure you guys will like them as well. Now I'm going to show you guys the pieces. I'm going to tell you guys how to enter the giveaway. So first and foremost, we do have this great gray hoodie. This is my favorite item on the list. That's why I wanted to enter it in the giveaway, because I literally wear this all the time. It's super comfortable. It's literally the comfiest thing that I have. The great thing I love about great merch is that everything is super comfy and it fits very well, because it is designed by people that create fitness wear. And also got the peace tee. This is all on the website. And then also in this package is the blessed tee. These are all my 3 favorite items. And to enter in this giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that the notification bell is checked. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. And then after all of that is done, make sure to comment down below done. And then that will enter you into the giveaway. And everybody has a chance to win. So make sure to do it fast, because this giveaway is only gonna last for a week, and then I'll announce the winner next week. But you guys, further details about the giveaway will be coming soon, and I'll be kind of hinting towards it on my Instagram and Snapchat throughout this whole week. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.